Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you stopping by. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to be doing a build on this 41 Plymouth from AMT 125 scale. As you can see, it came molded in a decent yellow, but I'm going to change things up a little bit. I was inspired by this particular kit to build something that I'd always wanted to have in my collection. And you'll have to stay tuned to the end to see, well, if you've seen the thumbnail, then you kind of know what it is. But I really enjoyed building this one. It went together very easy, and I had a lot of fun doing it. If you haven't guessed already, it's going to be a fire chief's vehicle for the fire station. And I was actually inspired by an old Three Stooges short where they were firemen and they were driving around in their police chief's car, which his was a 36 Ford 5-window coupe. But I realized this is a Plymouth, but it just inspired me, and that's what I'm going to go with. And one day I'll pick up that 36 coupe and build it the way they had it on the short there. But go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and fast forward right through this little bit of assembly here, and you guys enjoy yourselves, and I appreciate you, and I'll catch back up with you at the end. Well, there you have it, folks. 1941 Plymouth Fire Chief's vehicle for Elmira Fire Department, Anytown, USA. I had a blast building this one. The original video was almost 2 hours long, and I just couldn't put you guys through that, so I cut it down major and give you the highlights. You know, if you see something you want to look at closer, just pause it. Not a whole lot to it. It's a pretty simple build. Everything went together real easy. No issues at all, other than deciding on what I wanted to do with this one. I really like it. It's going to go on display in my own personal collection, and hang on to it. And then when I get the 36 Ford, I'll do a comparison next, side-by-side kind of deal with them, see how they measure up. Anyway, I want to wish you guys a great day, and thanks for stopping by. As always, please like, share, comment, subscribe, tell all your friends about me, help me grow this channel. I'm loving every minute of it, guys.